Hey everyone, if you already have a Runway ML account and want to access your AI projects, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to log into Runway ML step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Runway website. On the homepage, click the *log in ** button. Next, choose the sign-in method you used when creating your account. You can log in with your Google account, Apple account, or your email and password. Now, if you're using email, enter your registered email address and password carefully, then click *log in *. If you've forgotten your password, click the ** forgot password * link and follow the instructions sent to your email to reset it. After that, if your account uses additional security verification, complete the required authentication step to continue. So once your login is successful, you'll be taken to the Runway dashboard where you can access your existing projects or start a new one. Finally, take a quick look around the dashboard and choose the AI tool you want to use, whether it's video generation, image editing, or another creative feature. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully logged in to Runway ML. Now you're ready to create AI-powered content and continue working on your projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.